Okay guys, so if you've watched our previous videos, we've gone over how a poor lunge pattern and a poor squat pattern can put massive amounts of stress, particularly on the knee, causing a lot of knee pain obviously. So we're just going to recap those for you because they're really functional movements that we should all be able to do really well. Unfortunately, many of us can't, just due to, essentially all this repetitive stress and sedentary lifestyle really. So what we like to use at Advanced Health here are these TRX bands. These are awesome. It allows us to use unilateral movements. So essentially we're one extremity at a time, which creates massive amounts of benefits. And also too, it helps transfer some weight so you can really kind of go through the movement while you've got some assistance. So first thing we want to discuss is that poor lunge, right? So Suzanne's going to show us a poor lunge. Yeah, you good? So do it single leg for me. Or start that a little bit again. Yeah, just do a lunge first. With the TR, we'll go. So, two reps. So do the lunge, and then we'll go over, and then we'll do the poor squat. And then we'll go over.
So confused, sorry.
Stand where you were. So you keep it going, Okay, so the beauty of these TRX bands is how we can essentially use these to essentially displace some weight, and we can go through the movement without having to use all our body weight, because that's obviously hard. So first thing Suzanne's going to show us is how not to lunge. So obviously when we lunge, what we tend to see a lot of is this part of the femur, essentially in the knee, comes on the inside of the leg. This creates massive amounts of stress and tension on the inside of the knee, obviously causing knee pain, particularly when we're repetitively doing it. Or what we see a lot of is really poor movement patterns in the squat. So Suzanne shows us not how to squat. Knees are way in front of our toes, and you can see the heel is way off the floor. Massive amounts of stress and tension on the knee. These TRX bands are something that we use in all our care plans because they are awesome. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to go through a good squat. So, pardon me, a good lunge, Suzanne. So you're going to go leg in front of this front one. There we go. So again, when we do this good lunge, we're going to go hip in line with our knee, and then our knee's going to be hugging the outside of our foot, and your knee's going to be behind the toe, heel flat on the ground. And then to make this even harder, Suzanne's going to show us doing it on one leg. And obviously when you're on one leg, you've got to create a massive amount of proprioception. So same process, you're going to go through that lunge, good, and Suzanne's knees behind the toe, knees in line with the hip, nothing's transferring over, and then you're going to drag through that heel, Suzanne, and come back up. Awesome. So next thing we're going to go over is the squat. So we just showed you how not to squat. Now let's show you how to squat. So again, good alignment here, shoulder, shoulder, hip. You don't want to stick that butt out too far. Keep that pelvis underneath your shoulders. You're going to use the weight of the bands, and then you're going to take your butt towards the floor. There we go. Knees behind toe. All the weight transferring into our heel. You're going to drive through your heels, activate your glutes, come on up. That's how we should move. And if you're moving appropriately, you're not going to have knee pain. So if you've got these in the gym, at home, we want to come see us at Advanced Health and go through some movement patterns and essentially fix how you move and correct that knee pain. We'll see you down here.